Hey friends, in today's video, I'll show you how you can configure Manomay's Wi-Fi operated CCTV cameras with your smartphone. For this specific video, I'm using Manomay's Protect Bot Pan and Tilt CCTV camera. For configuration, you need Manomay's app, and in the last video, I have shown how you can sign up in the app. If you have not signed up, please check that video and then you can come back and watch this configuration video. We'll go ahead and open the Manomay app. In here, you have to tap on Add Smart Device. Then allow for your location and then once again tap the Add Smart Device. Now here it will ask to turn on your Bluetooth. First of all, make sure your camera is turned on. Also the SD card is inserted. Here's how you can do it. If you have tried connecting your device and failed, you can simply reset the device. To do that, you just have to long press the reset switch until you hear this tone.
Please configure the network.
Now there are two ways through which you can connect your camera into the smartphone. By tapping on the Add Smart Device, your smartphone will directly detect the device and that respective device will be shown on the screen. If by any chance the device is not detected, you can simply tap on the Scan to Add icon. After that, your camera will open up. All you need to do is scan the QR code which will be there on the body of every Manomay CCTV camera. Once you have scanned the QR code, you have to select the blink option. Just make sure that the LED on your camera is blinking and will click on Next. After that, you have to add your network informations like the name of the Wi-Fi you're connected to and also the password of the Wi-Fi. I'm connected to my home Wi-Fi, so I'll enter the password and click on Next. And you can see that a camera is getting added to the device. You'll hear these tones once your camera is added successfully.
Wireless settings, please wait. The wireless connection is successful.
Your new device is now added into your app. Now before finalizing the configuration, you can select for which room and for what purpose you are installing the camera. You can select anyone and then click on Next. After that, for this particular bot CCTV camera, there are two options available: Motion Detection Alert and App Push Alert Message. So I'll turn on both these options and then click on Save Configuration. And we are done. You can see we are getting live footage from the CCTV onto our smartphone. Once we tap on Finish, our device is successfully added into the app. Now we'll tap on the play button here and it will directly open the device page. And it's this page from where you can access each and every parameter and feature of your CCTV camera. On the top is the live feed. On the bottom, there are 4 arrows, tapping which you can just change the direction of your camera. As this is a pan and tilt camera, you can pan it on horizontal axis as well as tilt it on vertical axis. And as we have selected the motion detection alert, this camera can also track human motion and it can also give a clear footage in night vision mode. You can either place it on your table for monitoring your kids or elderly persons, or you can install it onto the ceiling with the mounts you get in the box with it. You also get a 5V USB-C adapter which you have to plug it at the back side of this camera. This camera also supports two-way audio intercom, so you can tap on this mic button here and whatever you speak, you can hear it on the CCTV camera. And also, whatever is happening in the room where the CCTV camera is installed, you can hear it on your smartphone. Plus, you can explore extra features in the setting menu of this app. That's all for this video. I hope you have understood how you can configure the Manomay's Wi-Fi operated CCTV camera.